Alright, I'm coming out. Come on in, go in. Go, 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 go. My porch is disgusting and filthy because we've been working on it. Hey, babies. Just checking on y'all. Y'all getting all your flatters and stuff. Y'all made a damn mess on the porch. Betty ate some of my daggone tomato plants. Well, Albert's tomato plant. Let me correct that. Well, sorry, I pushed the button. Still learning how to work the phone sideways. Go check on Miss Sophia. When she came to us, she had a cold, but it's a little bit better. And she's actually out here grazing, but I got some antibiotics. I'm hoping she will. She drank half her thing of milk this morning. So I'm hoping she will. Hey, Miss Betty Spaghetti. Hey, Sophia. Hey, Sophia, you out here grazing? You want them baba with some good milk in it with some antibiotics? Huh? You want your baba? Want your baba? Come on. Come on, let's sit over here, because I can't stand along my left foot. It's killing me. My left foot. Come here. Come here, pretty girl. Come here, Miss Pretty Girl. You're looking better. You're feeling better. You're feeling better. Come here. Sophia. Sophia. Want a baba? Good girl. Come to get the baba. I know, baby. You're going to get better soon, I hope. I know it. You're so sweet. You're such a sweet girl. Sun's so bright out here. It's probably going to make the video a little blurry. It's a beautiful day to be such horrible weather coming. You eating grass? I'm glad to see you up eating. I'm so happy to see you up eating. I'm so happy to see you, Miss Pretty Girl. I'm so happy. You up mowing the front yard early. Got her butt cleaned up and everything a little bit. Got her looking a little bit. She's gained a little bit of weight. So, she drank that much. Well, can't see. She drank that much this morning. It's like halfway. And I feel it. I put a lot of antibiotics in it. So, hoping her get big and healthy. So, big and healthy and make a pretty girl. See her butt? It's dried up now and her stool is solid, which is a good thing because it kind of wasn't solid the first day we got her. Your mama went and got me some good antibiotics from the Tractor Supply and taking care of me, gonna make me a pretty baby and stuff for daddy, because daddy loved me. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back in. I got a few things I gotta do. See, ain't nobody up down there. They all knocking out. So, I know. All right, Miss Sophia, I'm going in. Bye-bye.